Allah created us to test us. Nabi Muhammad sallallahu alayhi wasallam had test after test. We said he lost his wife, he lost his uncle, we said he lost so much, he lost his children, all his children in his lifetime, one after the other besides one who passed away after him, Fatima radiallahu anha. The rest of them, he buried them, most of them, he buried them. And subhanallah, what happened? He was the most loved by Allah, the highest in rank. It shows you the nature of this world. The world is not perfect. In fact, paradise is perfect. Allah created you here to go through challenge upon challenge, one after the other, a third, a fourth. There's no perfection. You know, the most beautiful or handsome from amongst us, when they stand in front of the mirror, they pick up 100 things wrong with them. Why? The world might say, look at how beautiful, look at how handsome, look at how lovely, oh, flawless, oh, this, oh, not at all. They themselves know, my nose is bent, my teeth are like this, my lip, one is this way, then on this side, my ear is a little bit bigger than the other one, and they start thinking all sorts of, what's that? That's shaitan. Thank Allah, thank Allah. Love yourself how Allah made you, and you are liberated. Love yourself how Allah made you, you are liberated. Don't open the door for shaitan. Thank Allah, oh Allah, I thank you for giving me my identity. You gave me my identity. I thank you for that. So remember one thing, perfection is going to be in the hereafter. If you're searching for it here, you're not going to find it. We will continue to work towards perfection. We won't achieve it completely, not in this world. You and I have a brain that's not absolutely perfect. It's flawed. And this is why we have inclinations at times that are displeasing to Allah. What do? Control yourself. Hold back, Allah will reward you. Holding back, Allah rewards you. You know, the hadith says whoever plans to sin against Allah and then does not do it, gets a reward because they held back for Allah.